After completing first equation of motion, we are focusing on a second equation of motion. Second equation of motion is a relation between displacement and time. So, to derive the second equation of motion, we are following the same graph. जो ग्राफ हम लोग ने फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन में यूज किया था, जो हमारे टेक्स्ट बुक में भी अवेलेबल है, the same graph we are using to derive the second equation of motion. See, in this graph, as we have been mentioned the terms in a graph for a first equation of motion, same we are continuing. पहले ग्राफ में जिस तरीके से टर्म्स बताए थे उसी तरीके से यहाँ पर भी ये टर्म्स है. खाली सेकेंड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन के लिए हम लोग एंटायर ग्राफ की एंटायर डायग्राम को कवर नहीं करेंगे. वी आर जस्ट फोकसिंग आउट ऑफ दैट DOEB, जो मैंने यहाँ पर शॉर्ट आउट करके साइड में ड्रॉ की है डायग्राम. DOEB, इस डायग्राम को हम लोग थोड़ा सा फोकस करेंगे. एंड यू सी दिस डायग्राम इज लुकिंग लाइक अ क्वाड्रेंगल. इसको हम लोग इस तरीके से देखेंगे. सो इट लुक्स अ क्वाड्रेंगल. You see guys, it looks a quadrangle. Now, second equation of motion is a relation between displacement and time. So, to derive that equation, we need to know some terms along with this graph. So, which are that one? An object have a uniform acceleration a if object traveled along with this path DOEB with a uniform acceleration a and the distance covered by an object is s, that means object travel with a specific direction, that is s, within a time period t, then the total distance covered by object is indirectly area of this quadrangle. Which quadrangle? DOEB. So, to find out the equation, we are mentioning that the displacement of an object is equals to area of quadrangle DOEB. Now, if we want to find out the quadrangle's area, so we need to look after this S is equals to area of this quadrangle. Now, entire of this diagram we are segmenting into again two diagram. One is of this rectangular and other is a right angle triangle. So, to find out the entire area DOEB, we can find out the area of rectangular DOEA plus area of triangle DAB. The same thing we have mentioned over here. Area of quadrangle DOEB is equals to area of rectangular DOEA plus area of triangle DAB. To know the terms easily, again we have drawn the same graphical diagram over here. DOEB. Now, see, if we want to count the total overall displacement, which is equals to as mentioned, area of rectangular DOEA plus area of triangle DAB. Now, guys, what is the formula of area of rectangular? You are absolutely right. It is length into the width. Now, if I am considering this is what length of this rectangular DOEA. So, in this diagram, AE is a width one and OE is a length one. So, the same thing we mention, length into the width, plus to find out the area of this triangle DAB, which is a right angle triangle, having a formula half into the base into the base, we can consider this one as a base or this one as a base. So half into the base into the height. So by following the same one, we are mentioning by using the terms s is equals to u into t plus half ab is 80 into t. So while solving this one, we are getting the formula s is equals to ut plus half at square, which is Newton's second equation of motion. See this carefully, guys. It is not very hard to understand. Just focus carefully. You will get the things.